Your brain's been running marathons without permission again, hasn't it? Every silence becomes a problem to solve. Every text a code to decipher. You replay what you said 3 days ago and wish your mouth came with an edit button. Here's a thought. Maybe your mind's not broken. Maybe it's just overprotective. It's trying too hard to keep you safe. For the next 5 minutes, you don't need to figure anything out. Just inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. All you need do is listen. Let these words sit where your worry usually does. I release the need to solve problems that don't exist yet. My peace doesn't depend on understanding everything. I let thoughts pass without needing to host them. I am not my worries. I'm the space they move through. I can let go of what I can't control and still care deeply. I'm allowed to rest without earning it. I choose calm over control. Not every thought deserves a full investigation. I'm safe, even when I don't have all the answers. I am learning to trust the pause between thoughts. I don't need to replay old scenes that no longer exist. My mind is powerful, and it works best when it rests. I can breathe through confusion and still make good choices. I forgive myself for believing every thought that crossed my mind. I'm learning to respond, not react. I release the story that something's always wrong. I'm not behind. I'm unwinding. I can slow down without losing momentum. I am safe in silence. I choose to focus on what's real, not what's feared. I trust that not everything needs my attention. I am free to stop thinking and start being. You made it through 5 minutes without fixing the universe. That's progress. Let your mind wander somewhere quiet tonight. It's earned the break. You don't need all the answers, just the breath you're taking right now.